the AP&CSE in SNSCT. Now we are going to discuss about a case study in AI tools in education. That is, mainly we are using many tools like Gamma, Grok, many notebook alarm. Every tools are used in an education line mainly. This motive is mainly we avoid the unwanted time wasting and all. So our work also in an innovative manner. So let me discuss about that particular AI tools.
Hello everyone, I am Nisha, third year CSCC. AI tools in education. I am going to tell about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most powerful and it is a recognized personalized learning in 24/7 Twitter, virtual Twitter. It is for planning and learning in a
Okay, tell me. So main thing is main chat for every topics, every domains you can collect any time in detailed manner. Then
and it is a fantastic resources in a writing skill and providing a real-time education. A smarter learning, the AI role in education. The AI for all is making learning education.
Hello everyone, I am Puni from third year CSCC. I am going to tell about the DeepSeek. The DeepSeek is nothing but it is a AI chatbot model developed by a company named DeepSeek, which focuses on advanced languages. DeepSeek is an advanced model of ChatGPT. How can I tell like that? Which means a ChatGPT asks for a pay or upgrade after some generate of a chat or images. But DeepSeek will not ask for a pay or upgrades. We can generate more chats and more queries to the DeepSeek. The advantages of DeepSeek is we can ask for many queries and we can take a code from the DeepSeek for our projects. Although it have many advantages, it has some disadvantages too. We can search everything in the DeepSeek, but if we search everything, we cannot grow our brain or we cannot learn our new things in our own mindset. So this is our disadvantage too.
Hi, I am Prasanna from TSC third year C. So I am discussing about Grok. The Grok takeover by Elon Musk and they recently updated by version 4. In version 3 to version 4, they introduced a new one, AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Compared to AI and AGI is better than logical thinking of AGI. AGI is basically teaching how interacting with a human better than AGI will discuss you. To providing logical thinking. In future, no needed to learning logical thinking to reading book. We can using Grok, we learning logical thinking and aptly using AGI. AGI is far ahead thinking of human. Recently, when your new test between a human and AGI, AGI win logical testing. So the one disadvantage of AI is logical thinking that will fulfill in AGI. So using Grok, we can learning 24/7 tutoring and learning more than a book, and we also learning logical thinking and step-by-step process how to learn how to new thing learn from Grok. Then I took over by the.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini, third year CSCC. So AI tools of one of the Gamma 8. It is a class presentation and PPT presentation and project ideas like project ideas and then resumes folder. It is one of the online platform. It is all time is working. It is a 24 working and then. It is a user, it is a topic and then will the presentation and then it is a user friendly and then save the time and it is a disadvantage of Gamma A. It is a online platform. It is a not working for the internet.
So hi, I am Sanjay from third year CSCC. We now talking about effects of AI tools in education. So many of them told ChatGPT, Grok, and Gamma, and DeepSeek. So there are certain AI models which are open source, which means the public can access and it can change. The public can change the code and they can make it as their own. So they are open source. And some of the models are not open source, and the database is secure and availability will be higher. And we have to pay something to use the models. So for us, the public has this use of ChatGPT 4.0 model. It is higher than the previous version. But the enterprises has the model like ChatGPT OpenAI O3 model. Okay. So that it is like a type of model which will generate the code and articles, and the certain generation will be higher and more logical thinking will also be attained. And while compared to AGI scores, ChatGPT is also nearly to the Grok's AGI score, but not more. It's nearly like 57% like Grok has access, but ChatGPT has access for 45 to 50. Okay. So and there are certain models which will generate the code like Blackbox, Google AI Studio, and Replit, and also GitHub Copilot. These are the code generation tools which will be useful for the college students to generate the code for a CSE or IT computer-based students. So these models will generate a full stack application with backend, frontend, and also uses the logical thinking of the API callbacks and async operations, like, and also storing the data in database, which will be also accessed by these models. And there is another model which is a Lovable, which creates the website from scratch, and it gives 5 credits today. For a day it gives 5 credits, and it will generate the code, and it also generates the backend code with the database security like Subabase, and it generates the code and it will fully deploy the website in online. This is all about the AI tools in education.
So finally, AI tool is a effective model in all the domain, especially in the education. It's giving the more efficient and effective one. At the same time, it's having some limitations. In Gamma, we can use only limitations of PPT only. When we can change the accounts, email accounts, we can use the another limitation of usage only. So we have to pay some amount to access that one. So it's a main thing. After that, it's not giving a time to think our own mind. We can't implement our own idea. So it's everything. It's AI will be guided. So it's a main disadvantages also. Yes, we can use it as an limited manner. That's it. Okay, good. Thank you.